Josh, gising na. Josh, gising na. Josh, gising na, Josh! Huy! Gising na! Gising na, Josh!
Ano meron? Ano ba meron?
Kasi nasa... Bangkok tayo!
Hey buddies, good morning. So, supposedly sa flight dapat 2 a.m. nandun na ako. And napasnooze ako ng phone ko. So, nakalis ako ng 3 a.m. Flight is at 7 a.m. Pero parang carry lang naman kasi 3 hours before. Nagpanic lang ako. Kasi tumatawag na si Jay. So, I was like... Anyway, I'm here na sa Maynila. So, carry lang yan.
Hey guys, so we're in the airport na.
We're back!
We're back! And guess what? Si Jeyo ang hindi evicted ngayon. Pero may bagong character. Pasok ko sa top 4. Buti na lang tumawag si Jeyo guys kasi hindi malilate ako.
Girl, I swear. Alam niyo ba? Hindi niyo pa alam, malamang kakwento ko pala. Ang call time namin is 3. And this motherfucker, ano oras tayo alis? 2. Hindi nag-reply si Bading, tulog na pala siya. Kasi just so you know, yung may-ari ng vlog na to, 7 p.m. natutulog every night. So medyo matanda na, medyo on the lolo side na.
Sa aga pa natulog, doon pa na-late pa talaga.
Kaya nga sobrang aga, late din nagising. Diyos ko, buti na lang talaga natawagan ko. Kasi sabi ko, 3 yung call time, wala pa rin si Josh, diba? Kasi si Miko sumasagot na eh. Booking na daw siya. Si Josh wala pa. Day, sabi ko, sige, pag wala pa rin siyang message ng 3, tatawagan ko na. Dapat pala tinawagan ko na lang ng mga 4 o'clock.
Habang story mo na.
Disclaimer, nag-antihistamine ako kagabi, so groggy ako. Anyway, we're here na together. Tama lang naman yung dating ko for 3 hours before the flight. So, see you in Bangkok!
Ang daming tao sa bank. Ayoko na.
So, yung energy mo kayo na pa yan, nalagay ka na.
Alam mo, wala pa tayo sa Bangkok, hindi pa.
Umuwi ka na lang.
Puro ka reklamo, Teo. Nasa airport ka pa lang.
Nakasira ng
Kaya
bike.
nagbabayad ako dito para...
Hindi, nagbayad din kami, pero hindi kami nagreklamo.
Ayoko. Kasi kayo, you can say a shit, girl.
Girl, I can say a shit. 1, 2, 3.
Jeyo. Ay.
Away-away ka sa akin. Happy lang.
Hey buddies, so we just got here in our Airbnb. Ang laki niya. Like, mahabang alley siya. Yun. Pero hindi ko alam kung isa lang yung owner nito. But anyway, this is where we're living. So this is where we're staying. In fairness, like, parang ilang minutes away lang siya sa airport. So, we'll give you a tour later na lang. May nakasikaso lang kami. Okay, so later na lang mag-room tour kasi naglilinis pa si ate girl. Pero yan, check-in na. Nakapag-check-in. Naglilinis pa si ate girl, but the place looks so good. So, I'll give you a maayos na room tour later, guys. Okay, so ito yung room nila, Paul and Mimiko. So, atang ina mo, maipit ako. Ang ganda na, meron silang vanity area. So, Miko.
Kaya inaano mo lang kami para sa inyo yung mas.
Oo naman. Tangan, laki talaga na sa kanila. So, they have this vanity area. A walk-in closet. So, when you walk in and you walk out, you're still in the closet. So, may dalawang bed.
Ano ba ito? Paano pag pinasok kami dito naman?
Ano yun?
Who's outside?
Yung mga girls pa talaga.
Wala na.
This is our room.
Wala na.
Gaga, Miko, buksan mo yan. Bathtub din.
Gagalabas.
Gusto ko si Mimiko dito tayo lahat. Eh paano? Pang 3 tao lang tong kama, oh.
Gaga kaya naman. Tingnan nyo, practice. Ipalit mo
Dali.
lang ito dito, tapos isa dito.
Puta, magsisipaan pa tayo. Baka...
Paano matutulog ka nun?
Arte nyo, alam mo naman. Kaya nga tayo nagbabanding para sama-sama tayo. Ba't maghihiwalay kayo ng kwarto?
Eh, sana nag-hostel na lang pala na isang bedroom lang.
Alam niyo, uwi na lang ako. Uwi na siya.
Uwi ka na, bawal.
Ay, kaya.
Tama na yan!
Tingnan mo kung anong pinagdadala ni ano.
Tingnan si Paul, kala mo magre-reseller, oh. So this is the other room. Sobrang cozy. In fairness, may sariling closet. Tapos may plancha! Tapos may vanity din dito. Small lang siya. But the best part is, girl, the the restroom, the comfort room, the restroom, the CR. Para kang nasa Vogue, like. Tapos si Jayon, nagre-restock na siya naman. Naganda na natural lighting here. What the fuck, what do you mean? May toilet and yung bathtub. Ay! It looks so good. Ang ganda. Ang galing ni Miko dito. Mas maganda to kaysa sa last time. Which is gift ko na din. Kasi tanga ko nun. So ito yung living room. So cozy. It's so cute. May television. May kitchen. No? Tapos ano lang kami dito? Magkano tayo dito? Parang 6K din? Or 5K?
10K sa inyo, 3K sa amin. Kasi di kami nasa master bedroom. Kayo may gusto sa master bedroom. And you want that bathtub so bad. And that's why you guys pick it.
Jeyo.
Hindi ko alam, bayad ako ni Mika dito.
Ndoyo. Alam mo si Jeyo, nakakailang libre na to ng trip. I swear. Pati yung sa Japan niya din dapat. Tapos yung sa Bangkok last year, libre din siya. Tapos ngayon libre na naman siya.
Yung tip ko lang talaga is, dapat multi-talented kayo.
Talented at freeloader.
Talented at manipulator.
Oo, ganun siya katalino, tang ina niya. Bam, bam, bam. Anyway, we're gonna do a 7-Eleven run. Tapos bibili mo na kamaga pa naman kasi 3 p.m. By the way, kitain ko sila coach later kasi nasa Bangkok din sila. So, nakihangot kami sa kanila. But yeah, 3 p.m. pa magkita kasi medyo mainit pa mag-songkran ngayon. So, kakain muna kami ng quick lunch. So, see you guys later. Ay, nandito pala yung naglilinis. Pinapasok na kami agad, which is... Okay. So, we change into our songkran outfits. And I also got my girls' protective glasses. So, I got 2 of my girls.
Okay na yun daw sila, Paul, tsaka sila Mia.
Okay na sila? Never mind, I guess. Kailangan nyo pa ba ng protective glasses? Dinalang ko pa man lang kayo.
Medyo pangit kasi dito lagi sa outfit.
I appreciate what it's you know naman as we don't like ugly.
Tanga yung ugly, naka-leather shorts ka sa basaan, tangan to. Ayan ang ugly. Magturuan kayo, sinong ugly? 1, 2, 3. Dinalang ko silang vlog, hindi naman nagagamit.
Wala akong ibang short, so...
Sa tayo magkakaibigan. Nakaka-appreciate ng effort ng banda. Ayaw niyo talagang gamitin?
Try mo nga. Jen, suotin mo. Try mo suotin. Try mo suotin. I wanna see the picture. No, try to wear it. Nagsaka nagpa-basic.
Ano lang, dito lang sa gilid-gilid lang. Ikaw maglagay ko.
So,
Gagawin ko kasi yan. Si Lurch, nagpa-formulate ng makeup. Okay.
sampang.
Boom!
Dito pa naman to.
Hindi nila gusto yung glasses.
Ano ba kasi yan?
I just want to be reciprocated lang naman.
Ano ba kasi?
Binalik. So we're ready in our outfits, Songkran outfits. Period. We're so ready for Songkran. Bitch! Agad. Okay, ito na guys. Kalaban na kami. Oh my God! Ay, gago. Tangina. Inner chakra po. Okay, so bumalik na kami sa Airbnb. We were there for like a good hour lang. Nakakapagod pala mag-songkrante. It was good.
So good, I was so wet.
It wasn't good, Josh.
You're so wet,
It
no?
wasn't good, Josh.
It was good.
It wasn't good.
Just...
best?
Yeah! Yahoo!
And her granny's sleeping right now.
Yes, Eric, tingnan mo. Tulog agad yung mama namin.
And to think na si Paul talaga ang granny dito.
But yeah,
Our first songkran was so fun. In fairness, nakakapagod na siya kasi maglalakad-lakad kayo guys. Tapos, ang namin nainom na tubig, bakla. But yeah, magsisiesta lang kami ngayon then. We're gonna have dinner outside. So yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, our lovely candidates looking lovely as ever. Tonight, we are celebrating beauty, poise, and passion. First candidate!
I love it.
Nakatulog yung isang candidate. And our last candidate is not a woman. Good morning. It's day 2. Good morning, sister. Mamimili sila ng breakfast dyan sa labas ngayon, guys.
Kasi may nagtitinda ng champurado, tapos malunggay pandesal.
Oo, gagawin. May sopas pa dun, mainit-init pa, gagi.
Ate Ining sa
Kay Ate
kwarto.
Ining. Ayun yung maliligo ni Miko.
Kagalit
Naka-sports
pa nga
car.
dyan yan. Sabi ko nga, umuwi ka na dyan daw na to.
Yung mama ko tulog pa. Ito. Tulog pa yung mama ko. Ay! Thank you, serious. Mama! Te. Boo! 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 Ayan. Sige, ayan. Hey guys, so we are getting ready. Accidentally matching vibes kami ni Jay. Pero mas vibrant lang ako. Mas pale siya. This is the outfit, top from Paradigma. Thank you so much, Paradigma, for my top. It's so cute. Yung stitches na dito. Pupunta kami ngayon sa Sandok. Sa may, yung nag-tailor sa akin ng suits, which hindi ko pa na-upload yung vlog. Kaya kami pala nandito sa Bangkok kasi pinadala kami ni Michael Taylor's Bangkok here. So lahat kami gagawa ng suits nila. So we're gonna get our custom-made suits. We're so excited for that. Nagpagawa na ako sa kanila last time. If you haven't seen it on my TikTok account, it's uploaded there. But yeah, we're so excited. Then afterwards, we're just gonna do some little shopping. Then may pupunta kami park later sa may Bangkok. Super cute dun. We're gonna chill there. So yeah, see you guys later! Guys, tignan nyo. We're all wearing green. Well, something green sa outfit. Like, wearing this vest. Jay was wearing that green shirt. Miko's wearing that green dress. And si Paul naka-green na army. Ano yan, Paul? Balik-bali na. Tanga na.
Postura naman.
Balik kinita. But yeah, so we're gonna get ready. Pumunta na kami dun sa paggawa ng suits. So, see you guys later. Bye. Shit, na-eliminate sila. Okay, game, ready?
Kailangan natin mag-teleport at mag-evict sa
Evictus.
3.
Ano sabi nila? Ano sabi sila?
Wala, gaganon lang.
Gaganon lang.
1, 2, 3, go!
So we just got here sa may MBK Center. Sama ko na sila. So we're here now at Michael Taylor's. My friends. Yes. So excited na ako kasi kasama ko naman sila this time. Lahat kami magpapagawa ng suits. So.
Kasi atin tayo na kasal.
May mali pala yung branch na pinuntahan namin.
Gumawa pa ako ng Google Map para ilagay dun yung mga pupuntahan. Tapos sabi ko, di ba, ilagay na para hindi tayo magkalit-guluhan. Tingnan mo ngayon.
Ngayon, nagsasayang tayo ng oras na dapat nandun na tayo.
Ate, na-misread ko lang naman. Hindi ko naman sinasadya. Diba, we're here for work.
Hindi sa susunod kasi.
Kasi yung tingin nyo sa sarili nyo, perfect kayo.
Talaga, kasi
Tingnan
make
mo,
sure na
lumakas.
hindi nagsasayang ng oras.
Perfect.
Kasi swipe left also.
Nag-aaway. Okay, nag-grab na lang kami papunta sa Platinum Mall. Kasi mali yung pagkaintindi ko. Malapit lang naman yung Platinum Mall, guys. Kasi yung first design na napili ko is very oriental. Ayan. Oriental, but tapos yung isa, very ano lang. YSL, Yves Saint Laurent. Sorry. Tapos like, very cinch on the waist. Okay, so tapos na kami sa fitting namin. Babalik na lang kami dito. Mag-na-update na lang kami. So we're gonna go to Siam Square para mag-tom yum. Naalala niyo yung binilikan naming tom yum before? Ako kami kakain. I'm so excited. So yan, dito kami sa may Siam Square. Kakain na kami sa may tom yum. Pero girl, kalaban! Ang dami nilang nang babasa. Paano?
Dadaan kami at titingnan namin kung hindi kami mababasa.
Gagit! O papaunahin namin si Miko. Gago, hindi ako confident.
We just got here sa may Tom Yum restaurant.
Excited kami kumain ng favorite tom yum namin here. Kasi magkakasama na kami. At after namin mabasa and all. Girl. So, tingin si Miko, like, lactating mom. Nakasartag tumawid kami, te. Okay lang, no.
Kasi last day na pala ngayon ng Songkran. Kahapon. Pero iba yung sa Silo. Iba pa rin sa Silo.
So, ito na, dumating na. Yes. Yes. Oo.
Mahal kita, kahit di pinapansin ng damdamin ko, di mo
Okay, so we're back here at Nana. Dito ko na-try yung best. Hindi naman best. Pero yung sobrang sarap nung matcha, strawberry matcha nila here. So we ordered matcha. I ordered the strawberry matcha. Miko ordered the matcha latte. Paul ordered the... Paul ordered the, ano to?
Coconut matcha.
Coconut matcha. And Jeo ordered kombucha because she's dying over here. Yeah, berries. Berries. Sige, patawirin mo siya. Nang mamatay na yan. So we're just walking around here sa may area nung Nana Coffee. And sobrang vibes dito. Kanina pa kami nag-take ng pictures. That's so cute. Like, wala pa kami masyadong plans today. Baka tomorrow pa talaga yung ganap. Tsaka hindi na kami punta dun sa park. Kasi ang layo pala, guys. So kanina nagre-reklamo ako kasi hindi pa ako nakakainom ng orange juice na gusto ko. And we're back here sa may yung malapit sa tiny house, guys. Here, wait lang. Ano yun? Ito naman, OA. Asan na yung orange juice? I want my orange juice. Sorry ka! Let's try one muna.
Sige ba?
Kasi baka hindi giving for the love of God. Just one orange juice. Sorry ka!
Is that real orange?
I'll get cash from my wallet.
You will? Taste that.
Thank you. Kapag ka. Is it? Parang iba. Hindi yan yung orange juice. Hindi yan yung... Hindi yan yung...
So yummy.
Hindi yan yan. Sa'yo na yun, Paul? Apparently, hindi yun yung orange juice. So... Wank wank!
Wala ka na lang, malalaman na lang sa dulo.
Wala gago eh!
Nakalagay kasi 200 lang, so in-order ko lang. Pero 400 pala siya sa peso.
Wala lang gaga. Wala na lang talaga.
Good morning, baddies! It's day 3 here in Baco, Thailand. I'm having my breakfast right now. So, I bought like bread from 7-Eleven, some pineapple. I also have a spoon here. Anyway, so we're gonna have breakfast right now. And wala ka... pal ka. Wala pa kami masyadong plans today, pero we might go shopping lang today. Very chill lang ka talaga yung itinerary namin, guys. So yeah, see you guys later. Wala, nito pa kayo! Umalis na kayo! Ano ba? Hey guys, it's Coachella day 3 here. This is our fits.
Let's go.
It's our fit. Super cute. So yeah, we're so excited to see Parokya ni Edgar. Super cute. AJ's. Gagong cute na.
Let's go!
Ang cute. Like, kahit iba-iba, like, you see the potential? And 1, 2, 3, go.
Ano ko magbaba?
Wow. 2, 3, go. Na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Na-na-na-na-na-na. 2, 3, go. My house is a magical avenue. My
My house.
Ako na lang si Sabrina.
Bakulaw sa Sabrina. Guys, ngayon pa lang kami aalis because we literally filmed a whole ass music video directed by Direct Jeyo. Hindi pa pala sila tapos. Di ba? Meron pa sila. Ito yung shoes mo! Anyway, pupunta namin ngayon is yung matcha kineme. So, so excited for that because I haven't had my matcha. And medyo nanghihina na ako, so I need my matcha. So, yeah! Okay, so we just got here sa may matcha people.
Yes, ang ganda dito.
Ang ganda dito. Like, what do you mean? Like, so cool. Ito yung bar niya mismo.
Someone matcha latte, ice, then soft oatmeal.
I got the matcha
Medyo
people
matapang siya if you're not, but for
Yung color
me,
niya.
it's Kamasiti 8 out of 10. Parang mas gusto ko
Hindi sinabi ko na.
Thank
Okay,
you.
so our order has arrived. Okay, so our
Content sila.
we orders iced matcha latte.
So, nag-film kami ng music video, guys, di ba? Eh, si Jeyo, sobrang sikat ngayon sa IG. So, yung song na ginamit namin sa Sabrina Carpenter, medyo mahalay yung lyrics. Tapos kasama kami sa video.
Pag nag-viral yun, pwede kami yung behado.
Oo, pag narinig niyo yung feed ni Jeyo, maabot ang 1 million views. So,
Tsaka pag tinan mo yung followers niya, niche siya, pero ano siya, if you know creator.
oo.
As in, sobrang sikat. May
Sobrang-
nagpapapicture sa kanya dito sa Thailand.
Meron nagpa-picture sa kanya dito sa... Like yung, alam mo yung may hawak na gano'n? Tapos titingin sa gilid. Yun, pinicture siya ng gano'n. We're scared for our career. So, we asked Jeyo not to collab post na lang yung video.
Ganda ko naman. Editor stop audio. Akin lang focus. I-zoom mo sa akin. Ayan, zoom mo pa. Konti. Oh, tama. Bawas konti, bawas konti. Ayan.
Sinaksak.
Okay, so we're now on our way to have lunch. Si Jeyo umuwi muna kasi he has work. While we're on our way to the restaurant, we're gonna teach you a few basic Thai words, right? We're gonna teach them a few basic Thai words. So basically, the first one is Sawadee ka, means hi, hello. Sawadee ka. Kapung ka, it's thank you. Kapung ka. Sumay ma. Sumay ma means very beautiful. Aroy ma, yummy or sarap. Tao rai kap. Tao rai kap is how much? I think that's how much. Meron din yung Rai kon tompe ni. Check. That's basically a few words that I know. So yeah. So we're here now. We just walked like a few minutes lang. This we're gonna eat. So cute. Sorry ka. Oh, it's air conditioned. Thank God. Miko chooses the best places to eat here in Bangkok.
Because I remember my boyfriend used to drink.
Oh. Ano ito?
Boyfriend?
Violation na yun.
Saksak mo lang. Aray. Basta tingnan mo, Mama Mary.
Ano, Mama Mary?
Edit mo ulit to, ha? Gago, ang ganda ko, din. Sana magka-baby na ako. Ba't ako magkaka-baby?
Dadalang tayo ka din.
Sana magka-jowa na ako. Sa mga supporters ni, ireto niyo ako sa mga kuya niyo.
Kung gusto niyo maging sister-in-law,
Can you take an order?
ay, you work here?
Yeah.
Ah, that's your uniform, na?
Sorry ka.
Ah. Anyway, let's see kung makaka 10K kami ulit na bill dito. Sana hindi. So they have watermelon and cheese and orange and kale. Food's here. Ooh, sobrang sarap. Sobrang sarap. Sobrang sarap.
Work kong...
Ay, work siya.
Pinagalitan.
Pinagalitan ko na.
Tara, aroy ma. Ganda mo dito, Nish. Girl ka dyan. Thank you so much. What do you mean? Starving. Since morning. Lecture lang. First bite for you.
Saturday ka rin. Hindi nila paano isa-isang nila. Sa isang lugar.
We are now on our way to Central World.
Can we go to Pattaya?
Ate, malayo yun. Bakla City.
Tapos may sarili siyang vlog sa Pattaya siya.
Kung pataya ka sa akin, ito sa'yo.
Hello.
We're now on our way to Central World to like do some more shopping, Sephora. Then after that, we're gonna go to CM Square to do some more shopping.
We're here at Sephora. We're just checking out some stuff.
Cut our glasses.
Hourglass yan? Shit, hourglass. Boom. Okay, so wala akong nabili sa Sephora. Now we're on our way to this perfume store na local brand here. Ano yung name nun?
Sundalo.
Sundalo. Sobrang local.
Gaya ko yung sundalo, tingnan.
Ay, oo nga, Sundalo. So we found the store, Sundalo. At nandito na ang may-ari, ang Sundalo. Boom! Which one's her best seller? This one?
But you like sweet, nah? This one.
Sweet?
But I have the most popular for
Oh,
the
this is cute.
something.
Diba mo itong area?
Summer now.
It smells so comfy kasi
Summer?
name niya
I
is
have
Rains in Heaven. Kabili ka, te.
So, alam ko na nakikipagkompleto ng look mo. Alin?
Ayan na, complete na. Sundalo. Private Benjamin, gag. Kalig. Bango, gagamihan mo eh. Okay, bumalik kami dito sa may Garçon. As usual. Pero parang nag-iba na yung branding nila. Kasi kung may mabibili tayo. Ang ganda oh. Nakita ni Paul.
This is 498.
Mura yun.
Sale po kami, available na po.
Ay, hindi pa kami bibilihin. Thank you po. Hindi pa. Yeah, parang nag-iba na yung itsura nila. Ito yung second floor. It looks different here. Look how cute these shoes are. Oh my god, may flower. Ano kung gano'n kayo ngayong bag ni Meiko? Ang inang yan na parang may alkansya. Okay, so here in ASAP, we've been here for like... Wait. It's for real? I think what you're thinking. Hi! Hi! Oh, sorry, what? Hi!
At sa akin sa my friend.
Oh, okay. Hi, we're
Is
here.
it okay if we ask for a photo?
Yeah? Yeah? Here. Can you take our photo? Thank you. Hello? Ma'am? Ma'am? Hello? Thank you. Hi guys, so we're just chilling here at this coffee shop called... What's the name of this coffee shop again? Lavis Cafe. Oh, yan pala. Lavis Cafe. We're just resting here. So sobrang init, so we got some coolers lang. Paul got a matcha. Miko got a refreshing water. I ordered the lychee drink. So good.
What did you buy, sister?
About something for Nico. Sunny's. Nawala niya yung Sunny's na ganyan yung style. So parang sakto. Tapos last one na siya. We're gonna do a quick photo booth. This is so cute.
You're cute.
Aww. Kiss me. And don't you dare ever fall in love with me.
Nakita. Gago, di nakita si Josh. Nakita si Josh.
Kiss tayo.
Dapat ko na.
Oh, that's so cute.
Pero kung ano Ted, doon mo nga sa balik ko doon sa may kulay.
Ganda niyan, guys.
Ayan.
So we're just roaming around TM Square. And I saw this top, like... Ang ganda ng mga distress niya sa gilid. Like, what the fuck, what do you mean? And it's only like... 1-2. Okay, hindi ko binili kasi meron daw pala sa Shein, sabi nila Paul. Ay, ang cute niyan. Punk, not sad. That's a cute sad. Punk, not sad. Yung mesh na to. Talo. Opisina ka, te.
Hey vlog! This is my mommy and we're going to my graduation. Bibili ka ba?
PTA meeting yung baklo.
No, Paul. May mo dito.
Alam mo, sungit yung nanay. We're gonna have dinner. And first things first, we're gonna have the iconic orange juice. Yeah! Girl, I've been waiting for this. Girl. Sarika. 1 orange juice. How much? Taura ka? Yes. 70? 60? 70. Guys, let's try this coca.
Is that it? Close enough. I mean, almost there.
We're almost there. We're gonna find her. I want my orange juice, bitch. The real one. Kuha tayo chairs and tables.
Baby boy.
Make the money stack tall right now. Make the money stack tall. Make the money stack tall right now. Make the money stack tall. Keep the money stack tall right now. Keep.
Hindi may nadala ni Miko dito sa mga magbubit ka na. Ate, ready na ako. Good morning, buddies! So it is day 4 here in Bangkok, Thailand, and we're getting ready to go out. And guess what, guys? Dalawang beses namin na-feel... Sino yun? Dalawang beses namin na-feel yung earthquake within the hour. Within an hour? Within the same hour. Nung unang lindol, lumabas kami. Tapos kami na nag-react. Bakit kami na lumabas? Tapos yung lola sa gilid. Pero grabe, ang lakas nung lindol. Like, ramdam na ramdaman. Si Paul nakahiga lang sa kama. Tapos kami ni Miko. Nag-chill lang kami sa may sofa. Gago, ang lakas ng lindol, bakla. Sana magiging safe yung day namin today. So, yeah. Good luck na lang sa amin. I'll get ready now real quick. Then, I'll see you guys later. So, this is the outfit. For good, calm lang vibes, but still stylish. I added this scarf lang. And we have some gold accessories. Super cute. But yeah, I'm just waiting for them to finish na lang. Hey buddies, so we're all ready. Here are our outfits. Parang meron kaming touch of blue in every outfit.
Today's primary color.
Where's the blue, babe?
Where's the blue, babe?
Where's the color?
That's started. Wow.
Pork, magago na tayong tong-heart baboy. Anyway, we're going to this matcha place.
I'm the most colorful one.
We're gonna have matcha now kasi I need some matcha in my system. So we're gonna go, and I am so tired right now. And I'm so tired of these people. I'm so done with these people. I've been with them since fucking Tuesday. Like fucking day one. Fucking
Day one. Exactly.
Just got here to my matcha place, MTCH. I'm just waiting for the others to arrive. Wala yung consent.
Tawag doon, nakaw na halik.
Pakangit.
You guys order ano? May overwhelm, di ka alam yung word na overwhelm.
Ala. Pag sinabi pa ng ceremonial yung matcha, ito pala yung ceremonial. Saan ka pupunta? Yan ang ceremonial thing. Iikot pa yan.
Anong grade?
Ceremonial grade.
Parang kami nasa museum, guys. Like this artwork, huh? Hindi kasi pagka-compose nito work na to. Pinag-isipan. Fairness.
You guys like the vibes here? It's so nice, diba? The architecture is really nice. That's why I reserved this whole place for us.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Where? You got this whole place to ourselves?
Yeah, I made a call earlier this morning. Tulog pa kasi kayo nun. So,
Huh?
so can I reserve the whole place for our matcha, daily matcha for today? Do you know I reserved this whole place? Yeah, for us.
Reserve mo yan?
Yeah, I reserved it for us.
Reserve mo sa atin.
Buti na lang may ano sa
We're gonna try the cocoa oat.
Like beer.
like beer.
Let's try the cocoa oat.
Ano ba yan?
Oh wow! Parang yung pagka-roasted kineme siya, no?
Sarap.
Galing.
Like coconut din.
Yeah. I like. Oh wow, ang sarap.
Pwede na.
No joke, pero masarap siya.
Sarap mo.
You know what's masarap, Josh?
What?
You.
Grabe, ang bait ni Miko. Sinundo tayo ng jowa niya.
Mag-away kami actually.
Ay, magkawin ka ngayon.
Oh my god, what is this? Kampawa floating market.
Pero buti, ang bait pa rin ng jowa ni Miko. Sinundo niya pa rin kahit mag-away sila. In fairness, she picked the right guy. Cool ng grab namin, no? BYD car. Oh! So we just got here.
Thank you so much, Kapong Ka.
Kapong ka! Thank you so much. Take care. This is a nice place. Ano, nasaan tayo? Escolta lang pala to, te. Ha? Tananoy?
Yes, where we have to walk.
Cute. It's giving very Songwat Road. So, ito yung oldest.
We're gonna go to the oldest. Not yet.
Not
We're
yet.
gonna go
Okay.
back.
But this is giving Songwat Road, guys. Like, it's so cute. So cute. Ang cute. Parang maliit na ano lang siya. Village, Kines. Tara tayo kainan. Gutom na ako.
We always need to compromise for Josh.
Okay.
If he's hungry.
Dahil hindi kita pinipilit, ako nagtatanong lang naman. Kung papaandaran mo ko ng ganyang ugali mo, umuwi ka na lang. Tsaka kailan mo lang naman nalaman yung salitang compromise, bakla. Masyado kang paandar dyan. Tangina, parang ilang araw mo nang pinapakawalan yung salitang yan, ha? So basically, nag-iikot kami for nothing. Yung nagagalit na si Miko kasi si Jeyo, wala pa lang alam.
Nililigaw lang niya kami, te. Saan pala kanina pa ako nagsabi na pwede na tayo umupo doon. Di pala niya alam dito. He keep saying na, alam mo ba? Tapos he keep saying, like, the fuck? Ay, hindi ka pala.
Okay, parang dito kami sa may carinderia kakain. Super cute. Mukhang promising, tsaka mura lang siya. So, ito yung food nila. Dumating na. Ang bilis in fairness. Period. I think this is gonna eat. And we're gonna eat this up. One, two, three. One, two. One, two. Two. So cute. Namatay pa nga.
Ano ba? Why are you so obsessed with me? So obsessed.
Why are you copying her?
Tama ba?
So obsessed with me. You're so obsessed. You're so obsessed. Ang
Why did you try this? So good.
gonna rate this
or 6 or good 7?
6-7. Jeyo was like, oh my god, it's a millennial cringe.
Millennial yun. Gen Z kasi yun.
But you always say like, oh my god, you guys are so millennial cringe. Ano ha? I'm actually Alpha Gen Z.
Alpha boomer pati.
Tanga alpha massage ka. Alpha massage.
Alpha B talaga.
It was a good, pero
This is 6 for me.
she's right.
Feeling ko, may matitikman pa ako masarap.
Mas better, which is
Anong patay? Patay. Boom. Patay.
ano yan? Ah, kapungka. Okay, so we're having some mango juice, mango shake right now. We're just gonna chill lang muna here. Mainit, grabe init ngayon.
Can I try as well?
Tsaka warm yung rice. Yung sticky rice.
ano?
Guys, nandito pala si Beyonce. I give you Beyonce. Ladies and gentlemen, Beyonce! Look at these cute accessories, y'all. These are so cute. Pretty. Nakita lang namin itong random store lang. So cute. Ano?
Para ko nasa Kabaw X.
Gago. Look at the bags. Si Annabelle. Ate, parang fuck. Sabi ni, Te, naposes ka na niya. Uy.
Ang ganda sana ng bag kaso ang sama ng pakiramdam.
Mabigat eh. Shit. Fuck. Mali yan. Ba't yun namang ginagawa sa harap namin to? Mga bastos kayo. Guys, yung totoong Annabelle nandito. Ito yung totoong Annabelle. We're back in Songwat Road. Ay, Songwat. We're back in Corner House. This is such a nice coffee shop, guys. I was here, no? Levi's, if you guys remember. Sa akin tayo dun. Second floor? We're here sa Small World. Oh, I need to charge.
Gusto ko kumuha ng couch para may bago kang couch sa bahay.
Ba't ka mag-uwi ng couch, te?
Mahalata ba pag kumuha ka ng couch?
Hindi, te. Parang kaya nilagay sa hand carry. Guys, like, tingnan nyo. May mga TV. You can play.
And like massage. Magpatawa kayo para matawa yung mga couch.
gago. Okay, hey buddies. So we just got back. Everyone's working. Jay is in a meeting. Paul is doing work. Miko's resting. So sumama yung pakiramdam niya. And I'm here. I'm also gonna work. So we're gonna do a few work-related content shit. So yeah. Then later we're just gonna party na lang later. Maaga pa naman, so... Hey buddies, so we are getting ready. Kasi meron palang reservation. And sushi restaurant reservation. And we're all having sushi tonight sa may... I forgot the name, pero I'll leave the name of the restaurant here. So we're going out. Ayun yung ganap namin. Then afterwards, we're gonna party. Because it's a Friday night here, so... Okay, so we're going out tonight.
First night out here.
Yes, it's a Friday night here. Look, everyone's looking cute.
We've been staying here for almost 4 days na.
10 days.
4 days. This is us in 10 days in Bangkok, Thailand.
This is me before drinking.
Pati ka lang tumalik. Girl, tingnan nyo yung grab car namin. It's a fucking Tesla. Do we just ride na? I think we're gonna ride na. We need to ride na. Sorry ka. Everyone get inside. Girl, we're in a fucking Tesla. This is my first time riding a Tesla.
I love Tesla. I love Elon.
Excited. Ang bait ng BF ni Miko. Daming BF ni Miko dito. Ano ba yan? Fairness. This is where we're gonna have dinner. Taru. Guys, the place looks nice. Like, what do you mean? They're gonna make the sushi in front of us, though.
Sabi ko, dahil pala ako syala-syala yung damit natin dito dahil yung ambience.
Kami. Shala-shala. Esipon. T-shirt. Ay,
Party Jen, si Jen.
O, party naman tayo, te.
Bangkok lang para mag-Japan.
At this one dito, sis, makasama ka, di ba? Last time, hindi ka nakasama sa Japan. We're now here at Khao San Road, guys. Like, first time ko dito. First time ko to party. So, meron like party scenes here. Overstimulate! Taas ng music, parang naglalaban-laban sila. Okay, so here na lang kami magpi-pregame sa parang cocktail. Happy birthday, Jeyo! Hello! Lighter. Ikaw, what's the announcement? No way! You're engaged! Oh my God! About the car, congrats! Can you show the car? Start mo na.
Patalogin ko yung car.
God, why is that so big? Na-request ka. Tell me something.
POV sa video okay.
Baklang nagda-drums. Good morning, baddies. Last night was crazy. It's day 5 here in Bangkok, Thailand. Uwi na tayo!
Last night was insane. So, ang daming kaganapan. But anyway, today, we're gonna go shopping!
Very Bottega. Different colors. Ang ganda. Wow. Gave me a discount, guys. Just follow them on Instagram.
Okay, buddies, pakita ko yung pinamili ko from Bangsway, tsaka, wala pala ako nabili sa Bangsway, sa Chatok Chak lang. So, I bought this perfume. It's a local brand in Thailand sa may Chatok Chak lang. And it smells very dahon-dahon, very Santal 33. I like the scent. I really like the scent. Souvenirs. Super cute. Not like the usual, ano ba yan? Not the usual souvenir. So, super cute lang, you know. Kasi ito crop, ito shirt. Oh my god, I love this. Very easy Miyake bag. Like, look how it moves. What do you mean? Ang trippy niya. Di ba? Ang ganda. So, yeah. Ayun ang binili ko. Wala ko masyado nabili sa, Bangsway. Ewan ko ba. I think, I'm really ready for, Vietnam. Like, doon ako talaga magsha-shopping all the way. So, get it.
So we're back here sa may Platinum Mall. Nauna na kami ni Jayo dito sa Platinum Mall. So we're back here. Ito na yung first fitting natin. Hopefully, ito na yung last fitting kasi tomorrow late na kami uuwi. So we don't have that much time. Okay, second fitting. First fitting. Ito na siya.
Oh, wow.
Ayan na siya.
Your one is
Oh my gosh. Okay, mag-start na kami mag-fitting. Thank you.
comfortable.
Thank you. So this is just the first suit. Ang ganda na, guys. What do you mean? Thank you so much, David.
I know.
It's so ganda.
Maganda.
You have a lot of Filipino clients on
Yes.
And we're gonna bring more Filipino clients after
for sure.
Guys, here's the second suit. So, nandito na sila Miko. Umabot sila Miko. Si Paul na yung next na magpapalit.
Okay, David. Okay.
Eh. Bootleg, Kineso. Ay, ala siya. Baba mo yan. Tanan. Ito na, nagbabalita. Ang nagbabagang balita.
Gusto mo mas tighter pa daw? Or...
Because I'm gonna be pregnant.
Isa si comedian yung nagulat sa ano?
Okay.
Si Tonton. Oo, baka kumuha ni Tonton. I love. Grabe, sobrang professional. Professional siya.
Because you also never close this one. You close only the top, the medium.
Wow, magician.
And the socks. Look at the socks.
It's a costume undershirt. Si Jayo, parang baklang taga culinary arts. Siya yung pinaka-dean. Yun yung pants ng culinary arts. Manager. HRM siya.
Good morning! So, it is our last full day here in Bangkok, Thailand. Nag-debriefing lang kami kanina. Nag-chika-chika kami. And, girl, last night was lit as fuck. It was one of the best nights here in Bangkok, Thailand. Sobrang angkit pala pag makipaghangot sa mga people with different races, nationalities. Racist, tanga! So, yan. Saya lang. Pinakalala ni Miko yung mga friends niyang, from Australia.
Yeah, because I've been going in and out in Australia for a couple of times already. So,
Bakla.
so I met a lot of friends and I want my friends to get to know you as well.
Alam, may accent siya. Tapos kami lahat yeah? Nakawa na kami. Tapos, diretsong English ang kami,
English, doon pa unahan madala sa snow.
Bakla
Comment down
diba?
below kung sino ang madadala sa snow.
But yeah, anyway, so today, we're just gonna go shopping. We're gonna get ready. So yeah, we're going shopping. Okay, so we're all ready for our last full day here in Bangkok, Thailand. This is my outfit. Short shorts lang tayo. Some cowboy boots. Ready yan. So, yeah. We're just gonna go shopping. Kain muna kami dun sa favorite namin Tom Yum place. So, okay, let's go. Grab's here.
Sino na naman yung boyfriend ko today na magsusundo sa akin?
Ayun na. Gumagana na yung dating alone ni Miko. Let's go. Sawadika.
Boyfriend mo, tito mo? Okay. Guys, ang cute na nahanap kong ring dito sa May Central World. It's in Thai. Super cute kasi iba-iba yung meaning nila. Oh. Merong mindfulness, meditation, sawadee, lucky, progress, wealthy, advanced, prosperous. I got the prosperous kasi girl, we need a prosperous life. So, I'm getting this. Guys, bumalik ako dito kay Mama. Sawadee ka! I bought her elephant pajamas like last year. I was here last year. Yes, kamusta? Suway ma! Okay, 100 baht, right? Hey buddies, so Miko's fixing her luggage. So
But we think we found the perfect orange juice that we've been looking for like
days
a
na.
week.
So, kung ito yung orange juice, it's gonna be iconic kasi last day na namin today. So,
Alam mo ba, pinabukas ko pa sa driver ng tuk-tuk. Sabi ko, hey, can you open for me? Because I'm like a pretty lady.
okay.
Sabi niya yun.
Kapuna ka? Muna ka?
I think you should mix it first.
Oh, talaga. Okay. Cheers, mga dears. Cheers, dears. Tang ina yan nga yun. Ay, sorry.
You felt the refreshment agad, like yung walang saltiness.
I should have bought yung bigger one. Aw. Sa period. At least.
Finally.
Guys, pauwi na kami. Tingnan niyo yung binok ni Miko. Boom! Inati.
Welcome to my bus.
Ang laki nung... Van ba yan? Van ng mga higante. Anyway, maglo-load na kami ng stuff ng airport.
Can't feel anymore. Look at my face. So sad. Backdrop. Warning into me.
Ano nga magka-traffic sa van?
Bilis tayo happy screen time sa ending.
Ayun ang clutch.
Basahin po lamang ang passenger board ng tunay na that will lead you to the exits.